Welcome to Careless Camera. I am not going to waste your time and jump straight into what you are here for. This video is about Baltoro Glacier trek as seen from the air, so it's starting from Paju Camp, which is the first camp before Baltoro, but second camp on the trek. The first camp was Urdukas Camp about 20.5 kilometers back, and it would take you 7 to 9 hours of trek to reach Paju Camp. From Paju Camp, most people will trek to Covery Camp, which is 6 to 8 hours of hiking while having lunch at Urdukas Camp in between. When you begin from Paju, after about an hour of walking on the dirt trail, the Baltoro Glacier begins. Then the hike follows the mighty Baltoro on and off until Concordia. The terrain is hilly, rocky, wet in places, and uneven, with a few scattered bits of a proper earthen trail. On Baltoro Glacier on the first left turn, you will see the Urdukas Glacier, followed by Urdukas Tower, which is 103 meters tall. The Baltoro provides a mostly welcome change to the dusty trails of day one, Trek Jula to Paju, with cool glacial caves, blue and green ponds, and trippy ice formations to be seen around every corner. The views definitely start to pick up in grandeur. And this is only day 2. Urdukas Camp is perfect place for lunch, but sometimes for acclimatization purposes, or due to weak trekkers. Groups even stay the night here. Now we pay attention to the left side of the Baltoro Glacier, and we see the magnificent Trango Towers. A group of rock towers feature some of the highest cliffs in the world. Located between the Trango Glacier and the Dunge Glacier, the Trango Towers lure those seeking to push themselves. The high degree of difficulty has led to some dramatic climbs by the Norwegians and Japanese climbers. Covery Camp is located at the mouth of Urdukas Glacier, and it can feel a bit cramped, but there is a beautiful waterfall nearby, as well as great opportunities for sunrise viewpoints. Many trekkers opt for a quick bath in the small cold stream just beyond the lower side of camp. As we depart Covery Camp towards Urdukas, here is a double treat for you to enjoy the beauty of the glacier. I have combined both the aerial flights from separate seasons. On the right side, you can clearly see the trail. Up till Urdukas, the trail is beside the mountain off the glacier, but after Urdukas, it will come in the middle of the glacier. If you like what you have seen so far, give this video a like, subscribe to Careless Camera, and share it around. Before Urdukas, on the right side of Baltoro Glacier, we see 2 no-name small glaciers leading to a no-name mountain above 6,000 meters, And behind this mountain is the famous Masherbrum Peak, 7821 meter. Masherbrum can also be reached from Liligo Glacier, as well as the Mandu Glacier, which is ahead of Urdukas. Covery Camp to Camp Urdukas is 6.75 kilometers, and it will take 2 to 4 hours. The trail gains in altitude, but nothing too physically demanding. As always, be mindful not to push yourself too hard or sleep too high too fast. Urdukas is a truly spectacular campsite, and one of the favorites along the whole trek. Here it is possible to have a small, freezing shower, with an incredible backdrop of mountains behind you. The water is cold, but very refreshing if you make it here early enough in the day. The nights can be chilly. There are excellent views of Trango Towers, Nimsdai Tower, and Lobsang can be seen directly from the camp. Urdukas is where being ever deeper in the Karakoram range really starts to hit home. It's epic. This is where we say goodbye for now. Part 1 of this aerial series of Baltoro Glacier finishes at Urdukas. In Part 2, we will fly to Goro 1 and 2, Concordia, K2, and we'll try to show Masherbrum Group. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support will encourage me to make more such videos. Also, I have done research to make this video from many resources. If I have messed up somewhere, do let me know in the comments. See you in Part 2.